Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your hosting or domain to Vercel. First, log into your Vercel account and select the project you want to connect the domain to. Once inside, click on the settings at the top, then go to Domains from the left-hand panel. Now you'll need your domain name, so head over to Hostinger and log into your account. On the left panel, click on Domains. Then select the domain you want to connect to Vercel. Copy the domain name. Go back to Vercel and paste it into the domain field. Then click Add. Choose the recommended option and click Add again. Next, you need to update your domain's name servers on Hostinger for the connection to work. So return to Hostinger, go to DNS or Name Servers, and click Change Name Servers. Click again on the circle beside it. Now, head back to Vercel, copy the first name server, and paste it into Hostinger. Then, copy the second name server from Vercel and paste that into the second field on Hostinger. Once both are in, click Save. After changing the name servers, go back to Vercel and refresh the configuration. And that's it. Your Hostinger domain is now successfully connected to Vercel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.